Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jaro on your screen with a new video. If you're new to this channel, you are most definitely welcome. Please do well to subscribe to my channel and turn the post notification bell on. Give this video a huge thumbs up, share, comment, and to all my returning subscribers, you are also welcome. In today's video, I will be making a DIY hair growth shampoo. I got a request from a subscriber asking me to show this, so I think it's wise that I teach you guys how to make your own herbal shampoos at home that can encourage healthy hair growth. So first of all, I melted my African black soap. I melted this soap for 5 hours, and now the soap is thoroughly melted. And the next thing I'll be adding is 1 tablespoon of my black seed oil. I have a video of showing you where how I make my black seed oil on the channel. So I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of black seed oil. The next oil I have here is my DIY herbal growth hair oil. Herbal hair growth oil. Okay, I made this oil myself, but I have not put out the video yet. So if you want to see how to make this herbal hair growth oil, please comment below and I'll be glad to show you. So for the herbal hair growth oil, I'll be taking 1 tablespoon as well. At the end of the video, I'll be listing out the benefits of all these ingredients I added to the African black soap, the role they play on your hair. So the next ingredient I'll be adding now is my castor oil. This is my 100% pure castor oil. You can use the black Jamaican castor oil. This is what I have. So I'll be taking just 1 tablespoon as well. So at this moment, I went on to mix the ingredients together to make sure they are incorporating with our black soap. So the next item I'll be adding now is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera tends to grow out your hair speedily. It's very good for both permed and unpermed hair, and you guys know that I've been carrying an unpermed hair for the longest. So I'll be taking the measurement, a desired measurement of the aloe vera. I'm not really measuring this, and I'm going to go ahead and mix it together with the black soap. Like I said, this black soap was melted. It sat on the countertop for 5 hours to completely melt and dissolve, but it's nothing but African black soap, and I like using African black soap to wash my hair. It has numerous benefits for natural hair. Alright, so this black soap has numerous benefits for natural hair. It's very good if you want to grow out your hair. So the next thing I'll be adding now is ACV, apple cider vinegar. And apple cider vinegar is very good for your hair. Like I said, stay tuned. At the end of the video, I'll be describing the roles of all these ingredients I'm adding, how it benefits the hair. So I'll be taking 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Of course, the next thing I'll be adding now is honey. This is our original organic honey. Honey is very good for the hair. I really love honey, and I really love incorporating honey into my natural hair shampoo. The last but not the least thing I'll be adding is my cocoa butter. I either use cocoa butter or shea butter. So if you have shea butter, you're free to use it. For now, I have cocoa butter, and I'm going to be adding it into the black soap mix. The next thing you want to do now is to mix this properly to make sure that all the ingredients are incorporated into the black soap. All right, so our base here is our African black soap, which is originated in West Africa and is locally made from harvested plants. The plants used in making the black soap include roasted plantain skin or cocoa pods, You can also use palm oil, palm kernel, or shea butter. So these are the ingredients that are found in our black soap. And black soap contains vitamins, iron oxide, and essential oils that help to promote hair growth. So African black soap helps promote hair growth by increasing blood circulation on the scalp. All right, so it is very wise to use your black soap while making your shampoo. So for the black seed oil incorporated into our shampoo, black seed oil normalizes oil production in the hair, and it also promotes blood circulation. It also ensures that the hair remains conditioned without becoming greasy. So that is the essence of the black seed oil incorporated into our shampoo. So for apple cider vinegar incorporated into our shampoo, apple cider vinegar gently exfoliates the scalp. It also balances the pH of the scalp and wards off bacteria and other things that can withhold your hair from growing. So for the aloe vera, we added into our black African black soap shampoo. Aloe vera contains vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E, and it helps to promote healthy hair growth and also increase hair shine. All right, the vitamin B12 and folic acid in aloe vera helps to make your hair grow and prevent hair breakage. Honey is good to be applied on your hair because honey seals moisture in your hair. In as much as we're trying to purify and make our hair clean, we don't also want our hair to be so dry and tangled. So honey promotes moisture, it keeps your hair conditioned, it reduces breakage. Honey promotes hair growth and also stimulates hair regrowth from dormant follicles. So with all these things mentioned, I'm sure that you're convinced that all the ingredients incorporated into the black soap shampoo is meant to promote hair growth and encourage a healthy hair. All right, so this is how our black soap shampoo lathers. It lathers like a dream, and this is very relaxing. I want you to try this out. If you've not done this before, do it now and you will see massive changes. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.